Children, we will learn how to read and write large numbers. So there are the three rules that you have to keep in your mind while reading or writing large numbers. So the first rule is saying that separate the period with commas where the ones period ends. Here the period once is ending and the next period starts. So you have to put the comma moving from right to the left after 3 digits. Because the ones period is ending after 3 digits and the next period is starting, so we will put the first comma after 3 digits moving from right to left. Now after that we can see that 1000 period starts and ending at the lakhs place, so it is ending after two places. So now we will put the comma after two digits. So because 1000 period is ending after 2 digits, then lakhs period is ending after 2 digits, now we will put the comma according to the rule. So we will put the comma after 2 digits, then after these 2 digits 2 3, so the next comma will come between 7 and 3. So the first rule is saying that you have to put the comma where the ones period end and the next starts. So second rule is saying that always read the large number from left to right. Always read the large number from left to right. Third rule is saying that read the number in each period. It means that you have to read the number in each period. So it means that if the digits are 87, so you have to read the period like this, 87 crores. So you have to read the number in each period and say the name of the period after each in the period except once. So how we will read this number? So this would be, you have to say the name of the period while you were reading the large number. So 87, how you will read it? It would be 87 crores 32 lakhs 54,165. 165. I am repeating again. While reading the number in each period, you have to read the number in each period and say the name of the period after each number in the period except once place, right? So this would be how we will write this large number. This would be 87 crore. This would be 87 crore. Next period is lakhs period, so we have to speak the period name. This would be 32 lakhs. Next is 32 lakh. Next period is 1000 period, so we have to read the number along with the period. So this would be 54,000. So we will write 54,000 except once period. So how we have to write this number? This would be 165. So we'll write 165. So in this way you have to read or write large number. This is all about the Indian system of numeration.